Question 2 of this exercise says if p equals to minus 2, find the value of. So basically we will have to find the value of the expressions that are given in the question by putting the value of p. Now in the first part, the expression that is given is 4p plus 7. Now let's put the value of p, that is minus 2. So it will become 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 and plus 7, which will give us minus 1. Now let's move on to the second part. The expression that is given is minus 3 p square plus 4p and plus 7. Let's put the value of p. So p is minus 2. So it will become minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now minus 2 square will become minus 2 into minus 2, which is same as plus 4. So it will become minus 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now after multiplying them, we will get minus 12, minus 8 plus 7. So minus 12 and minus 8 is basically minus 20 and plus 7, which is same as minus 13. Now in the third part, the expression that is given is minus 2 p cube minus 3 p square plus 4p plus 7. Now let's put the value of p. So it will become minus 2 into minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 and plus 7. Now the cube of minus 2 will give us minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So it will become minus 8. So it will become minus 2 multiplied by minus 8. And this is minus 3, and the square of minus 2 will be minus 2 into minus 2, which is plus 4. Now that is 4 into minus 2 and plus 7. Now let's multiply them. Minus 2 into minus 8 is 16. Now 3 into 4 is 12 and 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 7. Now 16 minus 12 is 4. So it is 4 minus 8 plus 7, which is same as minus 4 plus 7, which is same as 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.